You speak French, no English. I speak no French, but we're getting along. I understand that he's trying to understand, and he understand I'm trying to understand. If you understand what I'm saying, good. Let's go. Yes, it has been a very, very jam-packed, full of event days in Mauritania. And this is my last day in Mauritania. On my right, you can see the water, and on the left, you can see the greenery. I was so happy to see greenery. I was so happy to see greenery because I was stuck in the desert for 4 days, and all I saw for 4 days was sand, sand, sand. So yes, on my left side, if you can turn, you can see all the trees there because there's an estuary or a river that runs between the border of Mauritania and Senegal. So on my right is a bit dry, and on my left it's a bit green. My first time seeing greenery since I left Morocco, which was I think 4 days ago. Yeah, but here we are driving through. I'm actually driving towards a border called Diame. It's easier to cross because you can just, it's just like 100-meter long bridge thingy, and you just drive from Mauritania to Senegal from Diame. And Diame is close to St. Louis, Senegal. So yes, as you will see later on in the video, I will be heading towards St. Louis. Yeah, that was nice. And to the family in St. Louis, yes, I'm sorry. I said I was going to come back the next morning, but I just realized they gave me a short visa. Yeah, it happens. Everyone else, as you know, they get 2 months, 3 months. Yes, Senegal only gave me 3 days. They told me to come in and get out 3 days because they thought I was going to sell my van and do business, and I had bought some stuff for charity. So yeah, they said I've got to go. But Senegal is nice. I am going back to Senegal. Well, it's a must. I did go back to Senegal actually. Yeah, quite a few times, but southern part of Senegal. But yeah, yeah, so you can drive this road. It's bumpy. I would like to say a little bit bumpy, but it is rugged. But it's faster for crossing Senegal. You can go to Rosso, where you've got to wait for the ferry, and your wait time will be 4 to 8 hours. Or you can drive 1 hour or an hour and a half on this road, and it keeps on going. See, like here, no, it wasn't there. It's further up. You know what I learned also? The Mauritanian 4-wheel drive cars, they just speed through like woo, 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 woo. Look here, I've got to put it in first gear. Yeah, it's that bad. Yeah, it's rugged, but the scene, I appreciated it. After seeing 4 days of desert, I was so happy. So here is where, because I was tired of the road on the left. So this is the riverbed actually. So when it's wet season, wet season, I shan't edit that at all. Yeah, when it is wet season, this part is filled with water. Yeah, so I'm actually driving on the riverbed. Yeah, but this is where it is smoothest to drive, because up on my left, yeah, it was giving me a lot of backache. Yeah. So my last day in Mauritania, yeah, I had another incident. Yes, I had another incident after here, but I could not record it because I was stuck in the park, and yeah, they were trying to charge me £50. Oh, this is madness. Why did I go up here? Ayes. Heard that? I just hit the bottom of my van. Sometimes I do not think. Yeah, so they try to charge me £50. No, I'm lying. £200 for driving through the national park. So if you're going through there, do not pay. They only charge me, the foreigner, the African foreigner. So hope you enjoy the rest of the journey. Yes, so this is my Africa journey, day 6. Enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah, so I just got to Senegal. I crossed, making the video now. So I crossed the border from over there, from Mauritania. I'm in Senegal, and this guy here, I don't know, you know. I don't know if he gave me good price.
You do.
But when you
No, I give you once. I give you tea.
No, you don't give me tea yet.
Wait.
Wait.
Wait. You take a tea. I give you a cup of tea. I've had the shin, good tea.
Shin?
Right.
No, that's Chinese. No, Chinese. African tea.
Wait, African tea. Yeah.
Yes, no Chinese.
You have eaten rice in Senegal. This rice is.
So that's
come here in Senegal.
So that's the problem. He charged me for the rice with the SIM.
No, I don't.
Yeah, he charged me for the rice with the SIM. So that's what the problem is. Yeah, because the SIM card, I don't know. But anyway, when you come across Diama, because Diama is easier than Rosa. So you cross the border at Diama, you come and check Mr. Gangster, Job, and Job would give you your SIM card, your credit. He will give you rice. He will give you rice.
And you, good my friend for you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Oh, and this
people Senegal.
And this
Frontier Senegal.
And this guy here, he makes very good art.
Yeah.
Very good. So I want you all to come and see some of this stuff. Ali.
You go to see.
Ali. Yeah.
Already come back, look at my shop.
Yeah, so this guy, he makes
very good, nice people, Africa, Senegal people.
Yeah, he makes very good stuff.
Right, this is my friend for me. And this is like this exposition, artisanal people, frontier, Senegal.
So you make these?
Yeah, it's like
So how much is this one here? How much you charge for that one?
This 50 euro.
50 euro.
Right. It's ebonic.
Ebonic.
It's supply.
Okay.
It's supply.
So that one 50 euro.
Yeah, 50 euro.
You get and the game here, the game. How much you charge for that game?
This 100 euro.
100 euro.
Yeah, this antique. Coinage euro.
How old?
Yeah, how old?
100 euro.
Yeah.
Okay, so you see.
Look at now.
So, yeah.
Stay Africa,
You see now,
Senegal.
see now they're giving me tea. They're trying to bribe me here. But hey, China tea or Africa tea? China? Chinois? Afrique.
Yeah. Tea Senegal. It's good there.
Chin?
Yeah, chin.
No, Afrique.
Yeah, Africa.
No, Afrique. This chin.
The chin.
No good. Yeah, so when you come across the border here at Diama, you come to this artisan guy, and he will make some good deals. I'll put his information. I'm gonna put his information in the link below, so you can buy stuff direct. Don't call me. You call him, and you and him can arrange shipping or whatever. But yeah, he has a lot of stuff. Oh, Vash.
Vash.
Yeah. Cow horn. Yeah. So you know he's got a lot of good stuff here.
Good stuff.
Mask. Yeah. So you call him. What's your name, brother?
Barika.
Barika.
Yeah.
So yeah, you make sure you give Barika. I'm gonna leave the link so you can call Barika. You speak French, no English. I speak no French, but we're getting along. I understand that he's trying to understand, and he understands I'm trying to understand.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? Good. Let's go.
Good.
So yeah, I just got to Senegal and it's nice so far. They promised me some stuff that they haven't given me as yet. And this one, he wants to get adopted by somebody in Europe. You know, but let's see how that goes. All right.
All right.
This tea is strong. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Day number 6 of my Africa journey. I finished with the Mauritania to Senegal, and I drove down 29 kilometers to St. Louis, Senegal, and I'm here now at the restaurant. I just had some baobab juice, which is freaking good. Baobab juice and some egg stuff. Not my cup of tea. I really wanted fish. And yeah, it's nighttime, but you know we'll see how it goes from here. Where am I going tonight? We'll find out. Yeah, but you know this is St. Louis, and these are the girls here. Hello, mon ami, come here.
She doesn't hear you.
Good. Hold this.
She doesn't speak English.
No, it's okay. She can talk.
So, in Wolof,
Comment ça marche?
mi ngi filmé nee na nga wax ci ni la Angleterre la jógee partage
Ok, je peux changer du
ay
quoi?
vidéo ay YouTube la
YouTube?
saxal lu la neex.
Non, baax na, c'est bon. Continue.
Yeah, she's shy.
Yes,
I'm not sure why she's shy. That one is not shy though. Where she's going?
she got a little bit busy.
Yeah. So, yes, I'm here, and yeah, it's all right.
Can you introduce me to your YouTube channel?
YouTube channel,
Yes.
and we'll see on the flip side. I'm not quite sure what am I going to do tonight, but I'll figure it out. Keep a follow.